Did you hear about the recent peace pact between the Indian government and the United Liberation Front of Assam, also known as the ULFA? Today, we're going to delve into the details of this significant development. Fast forward to December 29, 2023, a peace accord was signed between the pro-talks faction of ULFA and the Central and Assam governments. The goal? To usher in enduring peace in the northeastern state. Now, let's unpack the peace accord. The agreement was inked in the presence of Union Home Minister Amit Shah and Assam Chief Minister Himanta Biswa Sarma. The pro-talks faction of ULFA pledged to renounce violence and assimilate into mainstream society as part of the settlement. ULFA's members will surrender their arms, disband the group, leave their camps, and participate in the democratic process. This peace pact received a warm welcome from Singapore, which believes the agreement will solidify peace in the region and encourage foreign investors, like Singapore itself, to invest in the Northeast. To sum things up, this peace accord signifies the culmination of 12 years of unconditional talks between the ULFA faction, led by Arabinda Rajkowa, and the government. The hopes are high that this will finally extinguish the long-standing insurgency in Assam, bringing lasting peace and prosperity to the local populace. We hope you found this video informative. Please show your support by liking this video and subscribing to our channel for more insightful content. Until next time, stay informed.